Jerla. Traveling by plane may take hours to reach our destination. Fortunately, the journey will be pleasant if the hostesses are kind and meals are tasty, and most of all, the savvy in-flight entertainment. So today, I will show you how to use the in-flight entertainment system of the Qatar Airways. So this is a touch screen and you can view the cameras. Just click camera views and then select, for example, the forward camera. You can view the forward view outside the plane. The downward camera, of course, the downward view outside the plane. The rear camera view, you can view the rear end camera outside the plane. Then this in-flight also has the information about the plane and its details, the exits and slides, and the locations of the illuminated escape. If you press the entertainment, you can find here the movies, TV, audio, so many movies and shows to select from Hollywood. Just scroll downward to select which movies you like, Hollywood movies in particular. Then it also has an Arabic movies. If you want to watch Arabic movies, just scroll down. And of course the Bollywood, fresh from India. And then just select, guys, your preference movie to watch. Then just explore, just touch everything in the screen. You can plug the headphone provided so that you can listen to the sound and to avoid your fellow passengers from the distraction. So just plug the headphone, and you can also charge your cell phone in this in-flight entertainment system. Guys, this is the food being served in this flight, Qatar Airways. So it looks delicious, and we'll start to eat. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a safe and happy trip.